REPEL. Mosquitoes are pesky bloodsuckers that bite us 100 times a year on average. That's why this mosquito repellent was a huge hit on Kickstarter, raising $150,000 when it only aimed for $5,000. This amazing device creates a 9-meter zone of safety with 2 plates that work in 50 seconds. It's also light, weighing 465 grams, and has a flashlight and a power bank of 14,400 milliamp-hours. You can get this handy gadget for just $50, which is a bargain for such a helpful product. NASH heated blankets. This heated blanket is a comfort game changer. It lets you enjoy the warmth of a cozy hug, no matter how cold it is outside. It has 4 modes and features that make it easy to use and safe to sleep with. It can warm up quickly, cool down gradually over 2 hours, and turn off automatically. To power it, you just need a power bank with a cigarette lighter output. You can also combine it with a camping cot from the same maker, which the blanket can snap onto. It's the perfect way to stay snug and comfy in the cold, with just one button to control the mode. You can get this amazing blanket for only $100. GoSun Flow. The CES Innovation Awards showcase the coolest and most cutting-edge inventions for everyday consumers in 2021. This purifier took the top spot for its amazing ability to turn any water into a refreshing drink. Just dip the tube into a river and enjoy 378 liters of pure water from a single 18-watt-hour power bank. This device can handle both tiny plastics and nasty germs, claiming to eliminate 99.99% of pathogens with a filter that lasts for 1,000 liters. And it's so light that you can easily carry it on your hiking trips. The solar panel case is a handy bonus too, and you can get this wonder gadget for only $150. Selk'bag. Imagine being in Patagonia, the land of Captain Grant's mystery in Jules Verne's novel. The scenery is stunning, with icy glaciers and blue lakes. But the weather is tricky. The north is hot like summer, while the south is chilly at about 15 degrees Celsius. That's why you need these cozy sleeping bags that you can wear. They keep you warm even at 6 degrees Celsius, and they are light as a feather, only 2 kilograms in the biggest size. They are also eco-friendly, made from recycled synthetic fibers and polyester. How do you like that? Would you pay $200 for such a product? HIKERPOWER. Solar energy is not just for hikers, but also for their packs. This backpack is sleek and light, with a solar panel and a big battery. It can charge an iPhone 13 many times, and has many ports for different devices. It has a hard case that hides a soft bag and can be used for more than hiking. It can help with delivery, leaf removal, and power cuts. It also has LED lights, a rain cover, and a protective case. This backpack is handy and costs $700. Campstream One. Did you know that electric cars are booming in that country? They sold 81% more in December 2022. That's a great opportunity for a product that turns electric cars into a cozy camping tent. It works with some Rivian and Tesla models and can keep you warm even when it's -12 degrees Celsius outside. You can control the temperature from your smartphone, and it only uses about a kilowatt per hour. It costs $372 to get one. Will it reach its Kickstarter goal of $66,000? What do you think? Ecto. Are you ready for some revolutionary solutions? What if you could have a folding chair that keeps you cool? It can lower the temperature to 7 degrees Celsius in a flash. This technology is not only cutting edge, but also exclusive. You have two options: a full chair with extra sun shield for $259, or just the cooling pad for $152. Here's how it works. 16 meters of micro cooling lines pump cold water, which you can get from a mini fridge or something. You can power it with a 5,000 milliamp-hour power bank, which can last for up to 9 hours on full blast. SinHanker. If you are a fan of Star Wars and the light side of the Force, you will love this product. It is a device that can function as a flashlight, a tripod, and a power bank. You can take it anywhere, whether you are traveling by car or by foot. It has a long battery life of 50 hours and can extend to 93 centimeters when you need more height. It is easy to carry, as it has a cylindrical shape that fits in the side pockets of your backpack. It also has some useful features for drivers, such as a magnetic lock and an SOS mode. You can choose between warm and cool lighting and charge it from a solar panel. This amazing gadget is only $70. Alien. Titanium is used to make halo safety devices in Formula One and rocket components in SpaceX. Meanwhile, this team is exploring titanium's potential for innovative creations. Meet Alien, a jewelry that can be used as a tool to open boxes, remove nails, break glass, dig, and more. Crafted from grade 5 titanium alloy, which is used in medicine and aerospace, this practical product weighs 74 grams. The price tag for this multifunctional tool is $147. GIGA mattress and tent. Forget about the hassle of pitching tents and blowing up mattresses. The 21st century has a better solution: a single button that does it all for you. That's the magic of Aerogo, a team of innovators from Intel, CTE, and other companies. Let's take a look at what they have to offer. Their tent, which measures 210 by 210 by 136 centimeters, can self-inflate in a mere 3 minutes and can do so 30 times on a single charge. It's also stormproof and snowproof, so you don't have to worry about it collapsing. The price is $210. Their mattress, which measures 200 by 70 by 14 centimeters, can also self-inflate in just a minute and can be inflated 20 times on one charge. It's tough enough to withstand sand, snow, and rocks, and can support up to 300 kilograms. The price is $160. Uncharted Supply Rapid Raft. You might remember USC, the company that amazed us with its windbreaker that can transform into a cozy insulated coat. Well, they are back with another innovation: a pack raft, a small lightweight boat for one. The first thing that catches your eye is how fast the boat inflates, just 4 seconds, without needing a pump. The second thing is how much weight it can carry, up to 181 kilograms. And the third thing is how light it is, only about 1.4 kilograms. Whether you want to hunt, fish, or survive, this boat can do it all. It was originally made for the military, but it became a hit on Indiegogo, raising about $275,000. Now you can get one for yourself for $479.